Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I made a adorable cute matchbox. It's very easy to make, and I will do a tutorial on how you can make one of these as well, but I will put the tutorial on the next video to this one here. So this whole matchbox with the mini flip book that's inside only uses one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and you will also still get a little bit of extra paper left once you've cut up all of your pieces together to assemble the matchbox and the flip book. So this one here measures just under 3 inches, so I think it's about 2 7/8 of an inch by 4 inches, and I think this is half an inch deep, and I've just embellished the front. And this paper here was a paper pad by Die Cut with a View, or DCWV. Yes, it's one of my favourite paper pads to use because it's nice and thick and it's double-sided as well. So this is the front of the matchbox that I made, and I just embellished it with some paper flowers. And this is just one of my resin cabochon that I made myself using a digital print. And oops, my little dragonflies come out. And I've added a little tassel here in the front for the drawer opening. So we'll just go ahead and open. I don't actually use it to pull out, it was just there to decorate. So you just pull it out and get the drawer comes out like that, and there is your flip book inside. That sort of adhered to the actual tray, so that's how it opens up, and then it also then opens up the other way. So that's just another quick and easy project if you want to make one of these as a gift. If you don't want to put the flip book inside, it's also a good little storage tray to put some jewellery, a gift card, or some little gifts in here that you want to present to somebody. But I just thought I'll just put a little mini flip book in here with some of my embellishments and some goodies in here if I decide I want to send this out to somebody. And this cute little deer head here that I've got was sent to me by Mrs. Everly. She is Mrs. Everly on YouTube and also on Instagram. She has a lot of these deer heads that she used in her embellishments, and she was so kind enough to send me a whole pack of deer head die cuts. So there's some more here that she sent over to me. So I can't wait to use all of these ones as well. So I managed to put one on one of the panels here. This flip book is also great to put photos on. You can put photos on the individual panels and make this a photo album flip book as well. This is just one of those parchment paper bags that I made using just one of our what do we call it, the grease paper for your cake tray liners. So that I made, and there's some little dies in there, and then I just embellished the panels. And this is the other side. I added some envelopes, and I used my envelope punch board to make the envelopes. And this was I cut the paper at 4 by 4, and then I think I measured it at 1 3/4, and I punched, and then I scored, and then worked my way around. So I think this is, I'm not even sure what the measurements of this envelope is. But yes, I made 3 of those, and in each one there's some goodies in there as well. I won't take them out, but then I just stuck an embellishment and just stuck it halfway, just so that there's enough room for me to tuck the flap inside. And it's another one. And this one here is just a hot air balloon die that I've got. I placed that in there. And this is just a piece of a journaling 3 by 4 project life card that I've just found, and I just stuck that on there. So that just closes back up like that, and then just goes back in here. So I will do a quick tutorial for you to show you. It's very easy. I'll make it as a part 2 to this video. Yes, I just wanted to share that with you, and hopefully I will see you in my next video for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.